See, next second condition, object in rarer medium and observer in denser medium. See, let us consider two mediums of separation of a surface. See, this is the denser medium. Now it is considered the rarer medium. See, one having the denser medium, another one is the rarer medium. Now the object is placed in a rarer medium. Now for example, the object is placed here the position. Now is the distance from a two mediums of separation of surface to y. How much of distance is there? The y is the distance. Now here is placed by the object is denoted by the O. Object is denoted by the O. Now when the ray light is the first is the perpendicularly instant at the point of A. The sum of the part can be reflected. The sum of the part can be refracted. That refracted ray can be traveling. This is the direction. Now this is the point we consider the D point. What is considered this as a D point? Now this refractive index of denser medium, what is considered by here the nu. Now the another light, the making sum of the angle to instant at the B point. Instant at the B point. Instant at the B point. Now where we can instant, now some light can be reflected and some of the light can be refracted. Now this is considered the normal. This is considered the normal, and the light can be refracted and traveling. This is the direction. Now this making of angle, this is called the angle of refraction. Angle of refraction. Now here this refracted, this point is considered C. Now this refracted ray can be extending in backward direction. The refracted ray can be extending in backward direction. This is the extending. At the same time, the area of refracted ray also extending in backward direction, and the two are meet at the one point. That is called as the image of this object. Image of this object. Now this angle is called the angle of refraction. Angle of refraction. And this angle is called the angle of instancy, because of this incident ray with made by angle with a normal, that is called the angle of instancy. Angle of instancy. Again we are considered from triangle. What is taken by the from triangle? From triangle. What is taken by the triangle is taken by the OAB. What is taken by the triangle of OAB. Now this will be angle of instancy. What is the other angle of instancy? Now this angle of instancy, what is the formula taken by the sin theta we can apply? The sin theta is approximately is equal to the tan theta. That is the tan I is equal to opposite by adjacent side. That opposite, how much of the angle is there in AB, and adjacent side, how much is there in AO. See, this is considered the equation number 1. And take the another triangle. That is a triangle taken the OAB from triangle. So this is the IAB. Nothing but this angle of instance. This can be the angle of refraction. Then again apply the sin theta is approximately is equal to tan theta. But here what is the angle is there? Angle of refraction. That angle of refraction sin R is equal to tan R. That is equal to. So what is the principle? Opposite by adjacent side. Say opposite is nothing but to AB by adjacent side is nothing but to AI. This is considered the equation number 2. Now equation 1 divided by equation number 2. Equation 1 divided by equation number 2. Equation 1, what is there here? The sin I by sin R is equal to sin I. What is the principle? Is AB by AO divided by AB by AI. Then observing here the AB gets cancelled. And denominator of the denominators take the numerator. That implies we can have the sine I by sine R is equal to AI by AO. AI by AO. According to Snell's law, according to Snell's law, what is the refractive index nu is equal to sine I by sine R. Sine I by sine R. Then this nu is equal to, we can write here the nu is equal to AI by AO. AI by AO. Now here the A to I is called as the apparent height. A to I is called as the apparent height. Then we can take the cross multiplication. Apparent height AI is equal to nu into AO. Now this A to O, how much of the distance is there is a Y. Then this apparent height AI is equal to A into I is equal to, how much is there is a nu into Y. Since in diagram A to O distance, how much is we considered by there is the Y. That is nothing but to object of the distance. That apparent height is equal to, what is the formula is it? Nu into Y. Y is nothing but the distance or height of the or image of the object. Next we discussing about the apparent shift. అంటే షిఫ్ట్ అంటే ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఒక దగ్గర ఉండి దాని యొక్క ఇమేజ్ వేరే దగ్గర ఫామ్ అవుతుంది, దిస్ కాల్డ్ షిఫ్ట్. బట్ యాక్చువల్గా ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఎక్కడ మనకి ఇక్కడ ఓ ప్లేస్, బట్ దీని యొక్క ఇమేజ్ ఎక్కడ ఫామ్ అవుతుంది ఏ. అంటే ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడ కొద్దిగా డిస్టెన్స్ అనేది ఇంక్రీజ్. దిస్ డిస్టెన్స్ దట్ ఈస్ ద I to O of the distance is called as the, what is called as the apparent shift. What is called as an apparent shift. The shift అంటే జరగడం అన్నట్టు. నెక్స్ట్ దిస్ O to A is nothing but this distance of this object. But I to A, see this is the I to A. This I to A, the distance is called as the apparent height. What is called as an apparent height. ఎందుకంటే ఇది హైట్ లో ఉంది కాబట్టి హైట్ అని చెప్పాను. ఇంత ముందు అంటే మనకు లోపల ఉంది కాబట్టి డెప్త్ అని చెప్పాను. దట్ ఈస్ ద డిఫరెంట్. See then we can find out here the apparent shift. Then write here the therefore apparent shift. That is nothing but I to O is equal to the total distance, that is nothing but apparent height the minus the neck level of the object height. See that is equal to AI minus of AO. Then we can write here the apparent shift is equal to A to I. How much of the distance is there? The A to I is there nu into Y minus A to O. A to O of the distance is the Y. Then we take the common for the Y. That's a formula nu minus 1 is equal to apparent shift. Now this is how the two formulas of a apparent height and apparent shift in a object in rarer medium and observer in a denser medium. అంటే అబ్జర్వర్ ఎక్కడన్నా మనకు డెన్సర్ మీడియంలో ఉండి వీ కెన్ అబ్జర్వింగ్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ రిలేషన్. అంటే ఇక్కడ ఉన్న హైట్ లోపల ఉన్న వాటిని అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తున్నాం. అంటే యాక్చువల్గా ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఇక్కడ ఉంటుంది, దాని యొక్క ఇమేజ్ ఎక్కడ ఫామ్ అవుతుంది మనకు ఐ పొజిషన్లో ఫామ్ అవుతుంది. దెన్ we can find that formulas apparent height is equal to nu into Y and apparent shift is equal to Y into nu minus 1.